Welcome on board your flight with Helitrans. The helicopter that you'll be flying in today is an Airbus H125. We might use another helicopter with minor differences, but the safety briefing will be the same. Passengers are not allowed to carry any dangerous goods on board the helicopter. Please review the information presented during this briefing. If you're not sure, ask any of the Helitrans staff. An aviation headset will be provided for your flight and must be worn for the full duration of the flight. Ensure the boom with the microphone is close to your lips to communicate with the pilot. A headset will be found between the seats or above your head. Always approach the helicopter from the designated safe zones. Always walk, do not run, and follow all instructions from the ground staff or the pilot. The pilot or designated staff will tell you when to leave or approach the helicopter. Do not attempt to approach or depart the helicopter while the blades are winding up or winding down, as a gust of wind can cause the blades to swing quite low. Do not attempt to walk up to the helicopter from behind or the tail. The pilot will not see you, and it's a deadly hazard area. Sloping ground may present a danger as the rotor blades are closer to the ground. Always approach and depart the helicopter from downslope. The helicopter has 2 cockpit hinge doors and 1 cabin sliding door on the left side. All doors are opened by turning the handles in an anti-clockwise direction through approximately 90 degrees. To close the cockpit doors, push the door firmly inwards and turn the handle in a clockwise direction through approximately 90 degrees. To close the cabin door, slide it fully forward and gently push the door inwards, and then turn the handle in a clockwise direction through approximately 90 degrees. Only the cockpit doors can be jettisoned, and this is achieved by rotation of the red handle. This helicopter is fitted with 2 cockpit and 4 cabin seats. The ground staff or a pilot may direct you to a specific seat. Simply follow their instructions. The helicopter can be fitted with 2 types of seat belts. It can either be a 4-point harness or a buckle with a clasp. Both of these will now be demonstrated. To fasten the 4-point harness, ensure none of the straps are twisted. Insert each of the loose ends into the buckle and tighten the seat belt by pulling the straps. To undo the seat belt, twist the buckle in either direction. This type of seat belt is fastened by joining the 2 ends and pushing together as shown. Tighten the seat belt by pulling both of the straps. To unfasten the seat belt, lift the faceplate on the buckle like this. Seat belts must be worn for the full duration of the flight. This is a non-smoking flight, and no smoking is permitted anywhere near the helicopter. The helicopter is fitted with 1 fire extinguisher, and it is mounted to the back of the pilot's seat. There is also 1 first aid kit on board, and it is located in the left side of the cockpit. Life jackets are carried on board the helicopter for overwater flights. If required, place the jacket over your head and secure the straps around your waist. When clear of the helicopter, pull the 2 red tags to inflate the life jacket. The jacket is also fitted with a manual inflation tube to add more air if required, a whistle, and a water-activated light. Some of the helicopters may be fitted with emergency flotation gear where it is deemed necessary, and will be deployed by the pilots if a water landing has to occur. Enjoy your Helitrans flight and have a safe day.